Students, in fact, yesterday we have discussed about human reproduction NEET material, NEET questions. Continuing from that today, yesterday we have discussed many questions. In fact, you might have seen and observed. Today we will continue from there. And assertion, you all very well know that assertion questions, statement and assertion questions will not be asked, and so we don't discuss. In fact, so question number 74. Which of the following is wrongly matched? Leydig cells, testosterone. Correctly matched. Spermatogenesis, seminiferous tubules. Correctly matched. Then male reproductive system, present pelvis region. It is present in pelvic region, pelvis region. Correctly matched. Then the D option, spermatogonia, mitotic division. Clear? In spermatogonia, meiotic division takes place, meiosis takes place, reductional division takes place. So the option D is incorrectly matched or wrongly matched. Moving on to next question, that is a 75th question. Select the correct match of the terms given in column 1 with their definition given in the column 2. In the column 1 they have given the word and they have defined this in column 2. We have to match it. Parturition, duration between pregnancy that is about 9 months and birth. Ovulation, attachment of zygote to endometrium. C, gestation, childbirth. D, implantation, this side stoppage of menstruation. Conception, release of the egg from Graafian follicle. Next one, process of milk secretion, formation of zygote by fusion of the egg. So in column 1 5 options are given. E, here 7 options are given. So one is parturition, you all know parturition means childbirth. So A 3. Then ovulation is nothing but release of the egg from the Graafian follicle, release of the egg from Graafian or release of ovum from the Graafian. So B 5. Then C, they have given gestation. Gestation is nothing but the duration between the pregnancy and the birth. Then implantation, D, that is nothing but attachment of the zygote to the endometrium. And then conception, E, that is nothing but the process of conception. Clear? That is nothing but the process of milk secretion or the formation conception. Clear? So A3, B5, C1, D2 and E6. Clear? So that's the right answer. As far as matching is concerned, option C is the correct answer. Next, they are given a diagram. The given figure shows the diagrammatic sectional view of the female reproductive system with few structural labeled as A, B, C, D, E and F. They have shown the diagram of female reproductive system here. Clear? Female reproductive system diagram is being shown. In this diagram, they have labeled the parts and you have to choose the correct labeling. You have to choose the correct labeling. As far as the correct labeling is concerned, A is endometrium wall, B is myometrium, C perimetrium, D isthmus, E ampulla and F infundibulum. Clear? Diagram. Since now your exams have been cancelled, but last year this diagram has been asked. Fine. So labeling is very important as far as diagrams are concerned. In biology many times we have told you, but you are a different batch. Clear? Next question. Moving on to the question. Studying the figure given below, which shows the various events during a menstrual cycle with few structures labeled as A, B, C and D. Which of the following options shows the correct labeling? Here again menstrual cycle diagram is given, what is given in the NCERT textbook, what we have given on our study material as well. So same diagram is been given and they ask the labeling here. A is LH, luteinizing hormone. B, ovulation takes place on the 14th day of the cycle. C, labeled as menstruation. D, proliferative stage. And E is luteal phase. Clear? So that's the labeling. Option A is the correct answer over there. Next question. Clear? 78th question. Study the statement given below and answer the questions. Vigorous contraction of the X and the end of the Y, expulsion of the fetus, identify X and Y. What is X and Y? Either X is vagina and B is fertilization, Y is fertilization, or X is uterus, Y is pregnancy, X placenta, Y implantation, X embryo and Y ovulation. Question again I will read. Vigorous contraction of X at the end of the Y takes place. What is X and what is Y? So it is obvious, X is nothing but uterus and Y is nothing but pregnancy. So next question, 79th question. Carefully listen. Study the following statement and answer the question. During P phase of the menstrual cycle, if pregnancy does not happen, the Q withers means that falls off and dies. Usually around the 22nd and 28th day of cycle. The drop in R level causes the lining of the uterus to fall away. This is known as S. Identify P, Q, R and S. What he says during P phase. What is P phase? The luteal phase of the menstrual cycle. If pregnancy does not happen, the corpus luteum Q withers and dies. Usually around 22nd to 28th day of the cycle. The drop in R. What is R here? Progesterone. The drop in the progesterone level causes the lining of the uterus to fall away. This is known as S. What do you mean by S? S means referred here as menstruation. So option B is the correct labeling. P luteal, Q corpus luteum, R progesterone and S menstruation. Clear? These are the correct labelings. Option B is the correct answer here. Next, 80th question. Study the following statement and answer the questions. In a process called A, B division starts as the zygote moves through C of the D towards the E. Identify A, B, C, D and E. Again I read the question, concentrate. In the process called A, B division starts as the zygote moves through the C of the D towards the E. Oh, what is A, B, C, D E? We have to identify. A is nothing but in the process of cleavage, B division starts, mitotic division starts as the zygote moves towards the C. C is nothing but isthmus of the D. D is nothing but oviduct and towards the E, uterus. E refers to uterus. Cleavage, A cleavage, B mitotic, C isthmus, D oviduct and E uterus. So option D is the correct answer here. If you have any doubts, any queries in this chapter, other questions also you refer from other materials, books. Any questions you have, contact me, message me, fine, call me. Possibly you message me, WhatsApp or normal message, the question along with the options. Moving on to the next chapter of the NEET question, that is the Report to Health, 4th chapter as far as second year is concerned. The first question goes like this. Main cause of population explosion in the world is, main cause of population explosion in the world is A, excellent job facilities, B, increase in agricultural production, C, excellent health care and D, very few battles and wars. What is the main reason for the population explosion? Yes, the answer is excellent in the health care. This health care has reduced the mortality rate of the mother and the child also due to Child and Women Welfare Development and RCH, reproductive health care centers. So immunologically, medical microbiology, medical wise also help has been done. Vaccination has helped to save the children. Fine. So this is the main reason, biological reason or the medical reason for the increase in the population. You all very well know. We have discussed this in the introduction of the chapter. The impact of human population is directly related to standard of living, that's also correct. Food supply and housing, also correct. Health and medical care, also correct. So answer is all of the above. The impact, the effect of human population. Marriageable age in India is in years, you have to identify. A, male 15 years, female 16 years. No, obviously you don't know. You know that this is not the age. Male 25, female 20. This is little too much. And C option, male 18, female 21. Male 18, female 21. Don't get confused. Don't make a hurry. D option, male 21 and female 18. So this is the right answer for marriage in India as far as in years are concerned. Male should be of 21 years and female should be of 18 years. Then they are reached the marriageable age. The rate at which newborn individuals are joining the population by reproduction is known as, the rate at which newborn individuals are joining the population, natality, birth rate is known as natality. Option A, natality, correct answer. B, fertility. C, contractibility. D, none. Option A, natality is the correct answer. Fifth question, which of the following means of reducing birth rate is not legitimate in India? Not legitimate means not suitable to India, not possibly in India, usable in India. Fine, clear. Legitimate in India. Option A, deprivation of the expected mother from fundamental rights, medical termination of pregnancy, use of contraceptives, then use of surgical methods. Which of the following means of reducing birth rate is not legitimate in India? Option A, deprivation of the expectant mother from fundamental rights. You cannot remove that, you cannot make that mother to lose her fundamental rights. So this is not the right answer. In India, next question. In India, human population is heavily weighed towards the younger age groups as a result of A. Did you understand the question? I repeat, listen again. In India, human population is heavily weighed towards, fine, the younger age groups as a result of A. long lifespan of many individuals and of high birth rate, short lifespan of many individuals and low birth rate. C option, long lifespan of many individuals and high birth rate. D option, short lifespan and low birth rate. Option B is very suitable. What is that? Listen, short lifespan of many individuals and low birth rate. Clear? That's how here we have more of younger age group people. Next question. In some tribes, the population does not grow appreciably because of low fertility, B. high rate of infant mortality, C. illiteracy, D. limited food supply. In some tribes, the population does not grow appreciably because of high rate of infant mortality. Infant mortality. Clear? Because in the tribal regions, in the tribal people, clear? In the tribal regions, clear what happens? Because of the lack of medical facilities, fine? The more children will die during their very young ages, lack of vaccination, lack of personal hygiene. So mortality rate in the tribal region is more in children. So option B is the correct answer. High rate of infant mortality. Next question. Which of the following factors regulate human life with reference to population density? Which of the following factors regulate human life with reference to population density? Availability, option A, availability of food, housing and health facilities. They have typed here as availability of blood. I think it is availability of food, because the next is availability of food, housing and health facilities. It should be food. Next, B option, urbanization. C, climate condition. All of the above. Answer is yes, of course, you are right. All of the above. Next question. For better survival of the human population, which of the following steps is most important? For better survival of human population, which steps are more important here? A, reduction in the use of various resources. Can't be. Afforestation, there is nothing but destruction of forests. No. Conservation of wildlife. C option. Then ban on mining activity. Which one? Conservation of wildlife. For the better survival of human population, which of the following steps is more important? Conservation of wildlife is very, very important as far as the human population has to survival rate is concerned. Clear? So, which is answer? Conservation of wildlife. Next question. 10th question. To which population category India belongs to? To which population category in India, what type of population we come across? What is the category of population in our country? Option A, high birth rate and high mortality rate. No, high birth rate is fine. Low birth rate, it is not suitable. Low birth rate again, it is not suitable. D option, high birth rate and low mortality rate is the correct one. That's how our population is. That's how our population is increasing. High birth rate, low death rate, low mortality rate is the reason for population explosion or more increase in the population. Next question. In India, the population growth can be reduced by natural calamities and by birth control methods. He asked, in India, population growth can be reduced by natural, B option is the correct answer, can be reduced by natural calamities and also by birth control methods like contraceptive methods and all. What do you mean by natural calamities? Yes. Typhoons, cyclones, earthquakes, right? Next question, 13th question. Which of these is used to control human population? Estrogen plus progesterone given, IUDs and MTPs, both are done here, clear? Understand? And then IUDs and progesterone, MTP, medical termination of pregnancy. Tubectomy and vasectomy is also done. So option is all of the above. Which is the function of copper T? You all very well know. Copper T function. Check mutations? No. B stops fertilization. C stops zygote formation. D stops obliteration of blastocyst. No. Which is the one? Stops fertilization. Clear. Copper T function. 15th question. The method of sterilization is Lipes loop. B IUDs. C vasectomy. Method of sterilization tubectomy. The method of sterilization is vasectomy is also type of sterilization, tubectomy is also type of sterilization. In this question, the option they should have given as both C and D or both B and C. They have given only vasectomy and tubectomy. The answer you can mark as tubectomy. Clear? Next, surgical removal or cutting and ligation. What do you mean by ligation? Joining here. Same. In biotechnology also we have discussed ligation. Ligase. That's ligase and ligation, but ligation here same. Surgical removal or cutting and ligation of the ends of the oviduct is known as what is it known as? Tubectomy. What is known as? Tubectomy. Clear? In females, tubectomy same is referred as vasectomy because vasa difference is cut, and here oviduct fallopian tubes are cut. That's what is known as tubectomy. 17th question. Progesterone pill helps in preventing pregnancy by not allowing. What is not allowed? Ova formation. Option A. What is it? Ova formation is the correct answer. Ova formation. They have given as B fertilization, cannot be implantation. So it's very far. So progesterone pill helps in preventing pregnancy by not allowing the formation of the ova. Next question. A contraceptive pill contains. This is the question. Answers are option A. Clear? Progesterone and estrogen. Option B. Oxytocin. Option C, relaxin, and option D, none of the above. I repeat the question. A contraceptive pill contains, what it contains? Both progesterone and estrogen. That's why the answer is A, of course. Next question. Surgical removal of uterus is called hysterectomy. I have told you, tomy refers to cutting. Hysterectomy refers to uterus. Tubectomy, fallopian tube. Vasectomy, vasa difference. Fine. Hysterectomy, fine, clear. Mammectomy, mammary glands, fine, clear. Gastrectomy, about the stomach. So hysterectomy is the cutting of uterus. Next question. Which of the following birth control measures can be considered as the safest one? Which of the following birth control measures can be considered as the safest one? A, rhythm method, which is known as natural method. B, the use of physical barriers. C, termination of unwanted pregnancy, and the D is sterilization techniques. Which of the following birth control is measured can be considered as safest? Which one? Sterilization methods, that is tubectomy and vasectomy in females and males respectively. Next question. The success of birth control programs in controlling population growth is dependent on use of contraceptives, no. Tubectomy, no. Vasectomy, no. The success of birth control programs in controlling population growth is depend on acceptability of the above by all the people. Next question, 22nd question. Trade name of weekly oral contraceptive pill is known as Saheli, once in a week. Fine, weekly oral contraceptive pill. Mala A option Mala, B Saheli, C Mala A, Mala D. Weekly ones, which one? Saheli, I told you, developed by our own CDRI, Central Drug Research Institute, India, situated in Lucknow. I told you in detail about that. Next question. Amniocentesis involved in the analysis of what? A, amnion. B, body fluid of amniotes. C, amino acids of protein. C, how to confuse. D option, amniotic fluid. Answer is yes, amniotic fluid. That is what is known as amniocentesis. To detect the gender also, to detect certain genetic disorders also, they do this technique, they collect this. 24th question. Which of the following is tested by technique of amniocentesis? Biochemical abnormalities of the fetus, errors of the metabolism in the fetus, chromosomal abnormalities in the fetus. Just now I told you, it is nothing but genetic disorders, chromosomal abnormalities they found. So option C is the correct answer for 24th question. Moving on to next question. 25th question. Which of the following is a method of birth control? Very easy. IUDs. A. IUDs. B. Gift. C. HTF. D. IFET. Birth control by IUDs. What are IUDs? Intrauterine devices. We have seen in detail what are the different types of intrauterine devices. IUDs, we can control birth. This gift and other methods are to make a female pregnant if she is sterile or any other problems by assisted techniques. Next question. In amniocentesis, the fluid is taken from option A, fetal blood, no. Mother's blood, of course, no. C, body fluid of the mother, no. D option, in amniocentesis, the fluid is taken from fluid surrounding the fetus. So the fluid surrounding the fetus is the correct option. So answer D is here, correct answer here. CO ions, what do you mean by that? Copper ions released from copper, releasing intrauterine devices, IUDs. Option A, make uterus unsuitable for implantation. He's talking about implantation. No. Increase phagocytosis of the sperms. No. Suppress sperm motility. Yes. What happens here? Copper ions are released in the uterus. So those copper ions suppress disturbs the movement of the motility of the capacitation of the sperms. Thereby they kill the sperms. They suppress the movement of the sperms. This is the most suitable answer. Option C for 27th question. Option D, they are given prevent ovulation. No way in connection with that. Next, 28th question. Which of the following is the most widely accepted method of contraception in India as at present? Which of the following is the most widely accepted method of contraception in India? Option A, cervical caps. No, I have told you the disadvantages of this. B, tubectomy. C, diaphragms. Fourth one is IUDs. That is nothing but intrauterine devices. What is the answer? Fourth answer, IUDs, intrauterine devices. Next question. Medical termination of pregnancy, that is known as MTP, what we usually call as abortion, is considered safe up to how many weeks of pregnancy? Option A, 8 weeks. Option B, 12 weeks. Option C, 18 weeks. And option D, 6 weeks. Safe, MTP is safe till, yes, 12 weeks. B is the correct answer for 29th question. Moving on to today's last question, 30th question. The technique called gamete intrafallopian transfer, GIFT, is recommended for those females who cannot produce an ovum, who cannot retain the fetus inside the uterus. B. C. Whose cervical canal is too narrow. No. Who cannot provide suitable environment. No. GIFT is performed in the females who cannot produce a ovum. Clear? Understand? Who cannot retain the fetus inside the uterus? No. So option A is the correct answer for 30th question. So in the next class we will talk about the remaining questions here. Fine. Remaining, how many are there? Around 30-35 questions are there. In the next class we will discuss about this. Fine. Then we will talk about the other chapters. So keep studying. God bless you. Good luck. Take care. If you have any doubts, contact me on my personal WhatsApp account. I will be in touch with you. Keep studying. God bless you. Good luck. Take care.